Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Morris County in northern New Jersey, Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, southwestern Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, northwestern Mercer County in central New Jersey, western Somerset County in northern New Jersey, Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, until 10:30 p.m. At 9:46 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Alpha to Enfield to near Alverson, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Easton, Bridgewater, Ewing, Norristown, Pottstown, Phoenixville, Lansdale, West Norton, East Norton, Quakertown, Percy, Doylestown, Byram, Wilson, Hatboro, Souderton, Bedminster, Washington, Antler, and Collegeville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Mercer, Morris, Somerset, and Warren, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Bucks, Chester, Montgomery, and Northampton. Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Ocean County in southern New Jersey, southern Morris County in northern New Jersey, eastern Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, Mercer County in central New Jersey, Somerset County in northern New Jersey, Monmouth County in central New Jersey, Middlesex County in northern New Jersey, southeastern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 11:30 p.m. At 10:25 p.m., thunderstorms, some of them possibly severe, were moving through far eastern Bucks County in Pennsylvania and Hunterdon County in western New Jersey. These thunderstorms were moving east at 45 miles per hour and will be moving through New Jersey through the late evening hours. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Toms River, Trenton, New Brunswick, Perth Amboy, Long Branch, Morristown, Asbury Park, Somerville, Sandy Hook, Somerset, Edison, Lakewood, Middletown, Old Bridge, Jackson, Howell, East Brunswick, Bridgewater, South Brunswick, and Sayreville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been